Looking at number 1, we're doing things just like your test. Today is the practice day. Tomorrow, if you ask me for help, my answer is probably going to be, ooh, yesterday was the day to ask questions. Okay? My first statement, 3x plus 2x minus 1, is that an expression or an equation? Expression. Negative 5 minus 12x equals 9. Expression or equation? What is your hint? This equals sign. Next one, expression or equation? Equation. What's your hint? Next one, expression or equation? Will you have a problem like this on your test? Will it use the same numbers? No. Will I maybe shuffle like how many equations there are, how many expressions there are? Next one down. My guess is you probably struggled with this. You probably looked at it, looked at the multiple choice answers, and went, no, I'm not doing that. Your first step is to always, always, always see if you can solve the problem on your own. What should I do first? Subtract 4 from both sides. So I've got 4 minus 4 goes away. I end up with 2x equals 13 minus 4, which is 9. Wink, wink, nudge, nudge. There is only one place that has a 13 minus 4 in the answer. We'll keep going, though, just in case you didn't see that part. What do I do now? Divide 2 from both sides. When I do that, I get 9 over 2 as my answer. There are only 2 places that I have an over 2. So worst comes to worst, if you missed the first part, you ended up with a 50-50 shot. How do I know 4 minus 13 is wrong? Because it's going to be negative. I'm going to get a negative 9 out of that. Starting with 6 all the way up at the top. Yeah. Okay, circle the letter for all that apply. Which expressions simplify to 2? So we got to go through. We got to do equaling. We got to go solve this out. What should I do first? 2 times 7. I'm going to do that parentheses. What do I get? 14. Divided by 7 gives me? Does that one work? 2 divided by 7 gives me? Something scary, right? Okay, can we write it a different way? 2 over 7, like a fraction. Times 7? What do I do? Okay. I could. There's a shortcut here. So I could do 2 times 7 gives me 14 over 7. What's 14 over 7? 2. Or I could have canceled and canceled. Did I get 2 as an answer? Yeah. Yes. Is it okay that I circled 2 answers? Yes, because it says all that apply. That's your hinty hint that there might be more than one. What is 2 minus 7? 5? Negative 5. What is negative 5 minus 7? Is that 2? Do I circle it? Okay. I saw a lot of you doing really, really good on this, but I have one mistake that I've got to fix for you guys. So, excluded values. That comes off of our big rule. What's our big rule? the bottom of a fraction can't equal 0. So I've got to take that x plus 4 and make it not equal to 0. Am I done? What do I need to do? Subtract 4 from both sides. When I do that, I get x equals -4, except it's a cannot equal. Except it's a cannot. Do not leave it as an equal sign. You will get marked down for that. Is there another bottom of the fraction? Is there another bottom of the fraction? Yes, a 3. Can 3 ever equal 0? No. So it's irrelevant. We don't need it. If you want to put it, you can. But it's irrelevant. You don't need it. Now we need to go and solve. When we're solving, what do I need to do? Not subtract 3 from both sides. Multiply by what? X plus 4, the whole bottom. Anything we go and put not equal to 0, that's what we're going to go multiply by. When I do that, the left sides cancel, but the right side, you need to make sure you have parentheses around. Is that my only bottom of the fraction? What else do I have? Mm-hmm.
Why isn't there parentheses on the other one?
You can put parentheses there, but you do not have to because it cancels.
Why doesn't the other one cancel?
The other one doesn't cancel because on the right-hand side, there's nothing for x plus 4 to cancel with. Okay, so on the left-hand side, we got rid of that x plus 4 because it was on the bottom. That was the whole point, was for that to cancel. So now we're on the second step. We've got a second set of fractions, and we've multiplied by 3. And the whole point of doing that was so that the 3 on the right-hand side cancels. But the 3 on the left-hand side does not. If I rewrite, I get 3 parentheses x minus 1 equals 2 parentheses x plus 4. If it was together before, you need to put parentheses around it. It's really important because that's what tells us to multiply. What is my vocab word that tells me to multiply? What am I going to do? I'm going to distribute. So those parentheses tell me to distribute, which means multiply. I get 3x minus 3 equals 2x plus 8. What would you like me to move now? The x's, okay? And you chose 2x. Those are the easier ones to move because they're smaller, so I agree with you. When I do that, I get x minus 3 equals 8. Now what would you like me to move? The 3, how? Add the 3. We're doing the opposite, and I get x equals 11. Looking at this, do I have a problem here, or is it okay? It is okay. I would have a problem if they matchy-matched. If I had x cannot equal 11 and x equals 11, I'd have a problem. We'd have to talk about it a little more. But I don't have a problem here.
I'm still kind of confused on why the left side only cancels and the right.
Okay, so the first thing I multiplied by was this x plus 4. And that's because on the left-hand side, there was x plus 4 there. I can't do it just to the left-hand side. I have to do it to both sides.
Yeah.
Okay, but if I have an x plus 4 on the top and an x plus 4 on the bottom, they cancel.
Okay.
And so that left-hand side canceled when I multiplied by x plus 4.
Okay.
But then I did it all over again with this 3. And on the right-hand side, the 3's canceled. But on the left-hand side, the 3 remained. So they kind of just switched sides and moved to the top.
Okay, that makes sense. Thank you. I'm just laughing.
Okay, so I'm pausing here. I'm giving you 5 minutes to work. 5 minutes, go try the next page.